Did you know that some Amazon product prices change almost every day? If not, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to check the price history of any Amazon product before you buy something. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your phone. Now, search for CamelCamelCamel and open the official website. Once the website opens, go back and open the Amazon app. Next, find the product whose price history you want to check. Now tap on the share icon and copy the product link. After copying the link, return to the CamelCamelCamel website. Paste the Amazon product URL into the search bar and press enter. CamelCamelCamel will now analyze the product and show you its price history. Here, you can see previous price changes, the lowest recorded price, the current price, and price trends over time. You can also switch between Amazon price history, third-party seller prices, and used item price history. This helps you decide whether the current deal is worth buying or if you should wait for a better discount. You can also create price alerts. Simply tap on Amazon Price Watch, enter your desired price, then add your email address. CamelCamelCamel will notify you when the product price drops to that amount. This feature is especially useful during Amazon sales, Black Friday deals, Prime Day offers, or seasonal discounts. And that's how you can check the price history of any Amazon item using CamelCamelCamel. Thanks for watching.